September 14th of 2011, the Hendersonville Police Department, they were dispatched to 105 Park Circle Drive in Hendersonville, Tennessee, in Sumner County. Proof will show that they eventually discovered 2 dead infants hidden in a laundry basket in the defendant Lindsey Lowe's bedroom. The state intends to show just how that occurred, and that how can best be heard in the words of the defendant herself, when she was asked how these babies met their deaths on September 12, 2011. The defendant, in her own words, as the state intends for you to hear, in an interview with Detective Malik, says, "I just put my hand down there over their mouth, the baby's mouth. Not long, until it stopped crying." And when asked about the second child, she replied, "Well, it was just the same thing. I mean, it wasn't as much, I guess, crying or anything." Ladies and gentlemen, that is what this case is about. The state intends to prove 2 precious babes, twin brothers, were smothered by their own mother. That's what this case is about. 2 infants. 2 infants. Proof will show that the defendant in this matter, Lindsey Lowe, was a 25-year-old college graduate. She was engaged to her college sweetheart, Jonathan Brooks. And in her words, as you will hear, she cheated. She cheated on him twice with Jeremy Smith. The second time, you will hear, was unprotected, resulting in this pregnancy. And then she went about hiding the pregnancy. Who'd she hide it from? Facts will show that she hid it from her fiancé. She hid it from Jeremy Smith. She hid it from her parents, her sister. She hid it from everybody that she came in contact with. She even hid the babies for 2 days in a room. These babies were delivered, as the proof will show, on September the 12th. They were not discovered until September the 14th. Hidden by her bed in a laundry basket. No one else knew. There was no plan. The state will intend to show there was no plan for these babies to live. You will hear testimony of officers who conducted a search of the house once the babies were found. Those officers will tell you that during their search, they found no evidence whatsoever of the expectation of life of a child at that residence. There was no diapers. There was no passy. No formula. No blankets. No baby beds. No car seat. The evidence will show that none of that existed. Why? Because the defendant hid pregnancy.